We need the what? Okay, so he drilled a hole in it.
You recording?
Yeah.
You got it?
He is putting firecrackers in it. 2 of them. Oh God, I can't see.
Fire in the hole.
You didn't light the oven.
Yeah, it did. It just didn't go off.
Is the fuse gone?
Yeah.
I want to see what it looks like.
Oh, it blew up. Not enough damage. Try again.
Not enough. Oh, let me see it.
That didn't kill it. Let's go for this.
Go for the head.
Go for it.
Ammo.
Fire! Give me the fire. Run the fire side quick.
Oh God. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, put it right there where we can see it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get out of hell. That's a tough little bastard.
You need bigger firecrackers.
Bigger firebackers. No, I know what to do.
You're taking this so serious. Oh God. He's squirting kerosene in it. That's kerosene. There's a bug on my shoe. Dinky, what do you think about this? Dinky dog. Dinky. 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 Dinky.
Here we go. Ammo.
Ammo.
Try again.
Be careful. I'm getting kind of back this time. It's got kerosene. Oh, it's a strap. What did it do?
It went pow.
It went pow. Oh yeah, its head came off.
It was three.
I think it's quiet. Oh man. Oh. When all else fails, get a bigger hammer.
In the truck.